Hey guys, it's Friday and I'm back with another face mask. Alright guys, so this week's face mask is a strawberry purifying mud mask. We are going to be putting this mask on our face as well as our neck as per the instructions on the back. So number one, again, we always want to start with a clean, cleansed face. The instructions on the back say, thoroughly clean your face, open package and apply mask evenly over face and neck, avoiding eye and lids. Leave on for 15-20 minutes, then rinse with water. So this is the mask that we are going to be using, guys. It's a strawberry purifying mud mask. There's 0.38 fluid ounces, which is 11.5 mils. So plenty of product to be able to put all over your face as well as on your neck. So today I'm going to be using my application brush so my hands don't get all dirty. So we are going to start off by opening it with the little tear package that's right here. Whew, this smells good. This is what it looks like inside. It does smell like strawberry. It smells like strawberries, but at the same time it has a clean smell to it, I can say. Like definitely some sort of, if I can say, chemical smell. Whatever that smell is, they are trying to mask it with a strawberry smell. So it does have strawberry scent. It applies really nicely. So there's tons and tons of product. All right, so I'm done applying all over my face. I'm now gonna work down my neck. There is still tons and tons of product left in here. Okay, so now that I have an even layer all around, there still is plenty of product left. So I'm gonna go ahead now and layer again for a second time. So I've now applied it to both my face and my neck, and there is a very little product left in the package. So it does go a long way, and there still is some excess depending on face size, neck size, whatever. There is tons of product in this package, which is amazing because you hate a face mask when there's not even enough product to go all over. So this is thumbs up already for the product, the consistency of the product, it went all over. Let me tell you guys right now that my face is tingling something nice. And I love a tingling feeling on my face because it simply means that the product is working. So now I'm gonna let it sit for 15-20 minutes and I'll be back to show you guys the results. All right, so this is what it looks like after 20 minutes. It's very tight. It feels very cool on my face, like a cool sensation, menthol. It feels really good. There's zero smell now, so I'm gonna go rinse this off and I'll be back to tell you my final review. All right, guys, so as you can see, my face is very red. So here I have red marks. Like, look at the way my skin looks right now. So I'm having a reaction. I had to stop rinsing this to come show you guys. Like, look at my neck even. My face is very sore right now. Look how red it is. Okay, guys, so again, this was a strawberry purifying mud mask. I do not have sensitive skin, I would say. Like, my skin can handle a lot, but this mask, it's weird because it felt like it was working. It felt like it was cleansing until it came time to take off, and it is burning. So I'm gonna end this video right now because I wanna go wash my face and get rid of this burning feeling. So this was the strawberry purifying mud mask. Thumbs down for me. I don't know if it'll work for you. I would suggest not even trying it considering I got this reaction. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've used this, if you've used anything like this, if your skin has had a reaction, because I'm really curious to know. Sadly, this week's face mask did not work out, so it's going in the garbage, and we know never to try that one again. So like I said, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, hit that subscribe button because I'll be back next week with another face mask. Bye, guys.